Okay.
Do you still record the faithful night across the Rio Grande?
Okay, without the music?
Okay. Do you still recall the faithful night across the Rio Grande? On the faithful night we crossed the Rio Grande.
We crossed. Past tense. Do you still recall the faithful night we crossed the Rio Grande?
Cross? No.
It's a regular verb, so the past tense for a regular verb is what?
Oh, I know.
That is a good mistake. Very good mistake. I'd much rather you make that mistake than say,
We crossed.
Yes. Do you understand that point? Do you understand my point?
Yes, because
right?
actually, I thought that it was weird to type crossed. I said that doesn't exist.
Yes. Yes, but that is a very good mistake, right? Because you type what you heard. You didn't type what you saw. Right? So now that you made that mistake, the next time you're gonna make that mistake is less likely. Also, the next time you're gonna say it wrong is also less likely. Good.